We provide several pre-designed templates, so you can simply modify the text content and skip the image design step. Let's use the soap label as an example. In the search bar, type the template number for soap labels, MR620, then click on the link for MR620 in the search results to go to the template page. Scroll down the page, and you'll find the Canva pre-designed label templates section, where we offer 9 pre-designed options. Choose a design you like. Let's take the heart and rabbit as an example. Click the left mouse button on the image's position, and on the new page, click Use Template. You'll see that the images are already inserted, and you only need to modify the text content. Double-click on the text's position and then type in the new content. You can either select all the text or part of it and adjust the text size. If your text changes are minor, you can click on each text position one by one for modification. However, if you have many text adjustments to make, you can edit the text for the first label, then select all the remaining text by dragging a box around them. After that, click the trash can icon to delete them, or simply press the delete key on your keyboard to remove them all at once. Next, hold down the Alt key and click on the element you want to duplicate. While still holding the left mouse button, drag it downwards, and you'll see the text being duplicated. During this process, you can ensure the duplicated text elements are vertically aligned with the original ones by holding down the Shift key. However, if you don't press the Shift key, you can use the alignment guides to check if the duplicated elements are aligned with the original ones. Now, drag the duplicated elements to the appropriate position at the bottom of the label. Now, click on the first element, press Ctrl+C to copy it, and then press Ctrl+V to paste 3 more copies. Select all the elements, go to the position option in the top toolbar, and then choose Space Evenly in the vertically section. Now you can see the content of the 5 labels is evenly distributed. Next, click on Align Elements and select Left to align the content within each label. If your labels are arranged horizontally, the first duplicated element should be dragged to the rightmost position. After duplicating multiple elements, choose Space Evenly in the horizontally section and select Top in the Align Elements section to align the content within each label horizontally. Now that your design is complete, there are 2 scenarios you might encounter. If the images you inserted cover the label's borders, you can go ahead and print directly. In the second scenario, where your design fits within the label borders, you may notice black borders around the labels. Don't worry, we can easily remove them. Simply click on an area without any design to select the layer containing the label borders. Then, click on the opacity icon and drag it to the left until the opacity reaches 0. Now, the black borders should be gone, and you can proceed with printing. If the opacity icon doesn't appear when you click on the area without design, please check if the padlock icon is locked. If it is, click on the padlock icon to unlock it, and the opacity icon will appear. Adjust the opacity as needed. Now, click on the Share button at the top right corner, and select Download. In the File Type drop-down menu, we recommend choosing the PDF print format as it is the most suitable for printing. Once you've made your selection, click on Download. After the download is complete, open the PDF file, and click on the Print button.